You've been in the studio for over 4 hours now, but you still haven't recorded anything. Like, yo, you good? Look, last thing I heard was your girl left you again, bro. Like, why does this keep happening to you? Like, what happened? Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna play the beat.
Yeah, I used to run 1,000 miles for you, and I used to see the lies right from the truth. And we got two sides, I don't know which side that I'm trying to choose. It was in my mind, I could see the signs, I was blind to you. Slowing down time, got you on my mind. Slowing down time, got you on my mind.